Hi, I'm Clint Fernandez. We are backstage at LFW and I'm going to decode the look that we're going to do for Anju Modi. We start first with the Bedhead Rockaholic, which is a dry shampoo. So you just spray this at the roots so it makes the hair really soft and actually cleans it up for us. I then take the Bedhead Ego Boost, which is basically a leave-in conditioner. After blow drying the hair with the Ego Boost and the dry shampoo, we're going to make small sections. Starting at the top of the head, I add a little bit of Bedhead Foxy Curls to increase the curl factor, very little, from root to tip, and some hairspray, which is the TG Bedhead Hard Head Spray. That again from root to tip. Backcomb a little bit of the root, and now I use benders to fix it in. And do this with each section, where you take a little bit of the Bedhead Foxy Curl. We've waited for the hair to set like around 20 minutes or so. And always start with opening from the back of the head so that the hair doesn't really get messy or untidy. So you just unwind it and open it out. I'm opening out the hair basically just with my fingers so we get that volume that we need. I take the front section and I start backcombing it down to create that height. I take the back of the hair and what I'm going to do is twist it to take it all upwards. One should also use some of these large U-pins because that's one of the best things to keep the hair in place when you're doing something like a French roll. Finally, I take a little bit more of the hard head hairspray, which is quite a firm hold, and I spray it all over the front so it stays proper and stays in place. And here she's ready. The ideal shampoo and conditioner to basically wash hair which has been treated like this, and if you're going to be doing styling on a very regular basis, is the TG Bedhead Antidotes shampoo and conditioner. I think it's a great thing to use on a daily basis.